Hi there, it's me, Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs in Kokomo, Indiana. Today I come at you with yet another computer service job. On this specific job, I am working on an HP Pavilion 500 PC that was built for Windows 8, and it was given to my client. I've noticed that this DVD drive here does not work, so I was told that there was viruses on it, they didn't know much about it, and they wanted it set up. So I wiped out the partitions on there, reformatted it, and I had to use my external DVD drive to start the Windows 10 setup. And now all I gotta do is wait for the setup to get done and then work on doing the Windows updates and make sure that Windows is indeed activated, and then my job will be done. And this will be yet another successful computer repair job. So as always, thank you for coming to Tim's Computer Repairs for your computer service needs, and recommend to your friends.